Hello and welcome. Today we'll see how to download and install Jupyter Notebook by using Python from the command prompt. So first of all, we'll go to the command prompt from the search option and then we'll type command prompt. If you see it, then just open it. And from the command prompt, before installing the Jupyter Notebook, we'll check our Python version first and we'll type py space double dash version, and we can see that a Python 3.1413 is already installed. You have to install the Python first before installing the Jupyter Notebook. If this command doesn't work after installing the Python, then try the um, alternative command shown in the screen. And after that, type the following um, command for installing the Jupyter Notebook. Type py space m, space dash m, then pip install Jupyter Notebook. For those py space double dash version didn't work, Python space double dash version worked. Please also type Python instead of py for this code also, which is shown in this screen. Okay, now I will press enter. When this command is given, we can see that a Python is downloaded and installed. We can see that requirement already satisfied, and when it gets installed, we can easily open it from the Jupyter, sorry, from the command prompt. For some, that you may need to update your PIP installer, and it may show you a command with the file trajectory. Then you have to copy that trajectory and command and run that command. Then the PIP will get updated. Once the PIP is updated, then try again uh, typing the same code which you have tried to install the Jupyter Notebook. And then you finally will see already satisfied this option, and you can be ensured that your Jupyter Notebook is installed. So after installing the Jupyter Notebook, you need to type py space m notebook to open the notebook, and this code will open your Jupyter Notebook. We can see that it is opening from the local host, and it is showing its interface, which is our uh, own files from the PC. That's why it is localhost, and we can browse folders from here by clicking just once in any folder. Let's say we want to go to the published papers folder, and here I want to create a um, Python file for coding. We can name it from here. Also, we can give py code, enter, and now we can write our first Python code in Jupyter Notebook. So let's say we'll type print hello world. This is the iconic code that everyone writes when they are first coding. Quotation closed, bracket closed, and press enter. Sorry, not enter. This one from here. Uh, we can see that our first code is being run to hello world. So this is how you can easily install Jupyter Notebook from the command prompt by using Python. So if this video was useful, please do subscribe to my channel for another useful video. Bye bye. Take care.